Hello everyone! In this video, we will teach you how to install the Plesk Special Editions, such as our WordPress edition and the Business and Collaboration edition, via our Cookbooks. First of all, you can find our Cookbooks on the Plesk GitHub repository. It is open and free to use for everyone. You can find the link in the video description so you can look at it afterwards. So, what exactly is a cookbook? A cookbook is a script that you can easily understand and modify for your own use. Here you can see the example of our Plesk WordPress Edition cookbook. The script will install Plesk and all recommended extensions, configure the server, preset all necessary data such as license key and the admin details for the server, and return a passwordless logging link for a super easy start for your customer in Plesk. To start, you just need to put the cookbook on your server. To do this, just copy the script to a file and make it executable. You need to make sure to have an appropriate license key at hand. The license key will be processed as a parameter of the script. The license key should be for the WordPress edition or the Business and Collaboration edition. Then, run the script with the license activation code as a parameter, and the Plesk installation will begin. Let's jump ahead when Plesk installation has finished. This is when the cookbook starts working. It will modify the default Plesk installation to make it a special solution server. As we can see, the license key is installed, and it is exactly the same one we provided during the script input. Also, the necessary ports have been opened in the system firewall, and the mod security web application firewall rules are also activated. And now, fail to ban is also activated. Now the extensions are being installed. These are top extensions handpicked for security, website speed, and productivity for WordPress. The full list of extensions can be found on the GitHub repository. We have published a white paper in which you will find all details of what is being installed in the Plesk WordPress edition. We also provide the link in the video description so you can check it out after the tutorial. Let's wait for all extensions to be installed. The cookbook has now finished its work. As the final result, we now have a link to log in to Plesk directly. Let's try it out. As we can see, we have a freshly installed Plesk WordPress server here. Elvis Pleski welcomes us from the welcome guide screen. Now, let's have a look at the license. All the additional components are also licensed. We only use one activation key but got licenses for all the extensions in one step. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and are ready to serve your first Plesk server solution to your customers. If you're looking for more FAQ videos about our extensions and solutions, check out the video description for the link or reach out to us directly. Thank you.